Imagine waking up and your national currency has vanished, replaced by Bitcoin. No central bank, no printing, just a digital gold with a hard limit. 21 million coins forever. Sounds insane? That's exactly what the gold standard once was. For over a century, money was backed by gold. Real, scarce, hard to create. It kept governments honest and inflation low. Then they broke the system. Why? So they could print money and spend without limits. Now, history may be repeating itself with Bitcoin. It's decentralized, finite, and borderless. Just like gold, but faster, smarter, and digital. Some say Bitcoin is digital gold. But what if it becomes the gold standard itself? The base layer of global value. The reserve currency of the internet age. If that happens, central banks lose power. Inflation dies. Savers win. And governments are forced to live within their means. It's financial revolution, not just speculation. And it could upend everything. How we pay, how we save, how we trust. Bitcoin might not just be the next investment bubble. It might be the reset button on a broken monetary system. Crazy? Maybe. But so was the gold standard until it ruled the world. Subscribe for bold ideas that challenge everything you thought you knew. IntroBooks Education.